Well, different day and a different market. What a difference a day makes. Maybe a bit more uncertainty about what the Fed and rates are going to be, and inflation numbers coming out later in the week today, rather than what we saw yesterday. Perhaps because rates are slightly higher today, maybe that puts some pressure on the markets. But markets well off their lows. The Nasdaq hovering just around the flat line after being down about 100. S&P slightly negative after trading down near 30 points, and the Dow is still negative, much of that due to Boeing. Nvidia really helping the Nasdaq and tech with another run to new all-time highs today, up about 2.5%. But all eyes are really going to be on inflation data, CPI on Thursday, PPI on Friday. Core CPI expected to rise by 0.2% month over month. That would lower the annual pace to 3.8%, which would be the lowest level in almost 2 years. Earlier this morning, data showed U.S. trade deficit unexpectedly narrowed in November as imports declined. ES options and Bitcoin today expiring 47.75 puts, very active volume. Also today expiring 4,800 calls. And after a breather, Bitcoin is at it again with a decision on Bitcoin ETFs coming tomorrow. At the money ES implied vol in ES options about 9%. That rises to 11% by the end of the week. Bitcoin hovering near 48,000. And in news from the CME is going to launch event contracts with quarter and year-end expiries for E-mini S&P 500, E-mini NASDAQ 100 options. That'll be on January 29th, pending regulatory review. And event contracts also on those same products, they're going to be among the most liquidly traded of the product suite. They represent about 33 and 20% of the products, respectively. Also, a new way to trade manage U.S. dividend risk. CME Group introducing S&P 500 annual dividend index futures. That also will start on January 29th.